Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. So this week I'm going to be doing maybe 2 grocery hauls. So right now I'm at my parents' house, but on Tuesday I'm going to go home. So I'm going to do one right now because we desperately need food and I need food for my Instant Pot video that's going to go up. So I'm going to go to the grocery store right now and get the food that we need, but then we might also have one when I go home on Tuesday. So we will see, but stay tuned. Lots of food coming up. Okay, so here is my little grocery haul. I got 3 things of yogurt, 2 banana, 1 vanilla, some bacon for one of my recipes this week, rice cakes for my lunch, and my peanut butter and rice cake. Okay, and then I got a loaf of bread for Derek's lunch, some O'Dough's bagels. These are gluten-free and I really like them. And then I got some garlic bread for tonight for my dinner, au gratin cheese, Parmesan cheese for my Instant Pot dinners, some ground beef, ground turkey, ranch seasoning. These are all, again, look out for my what's for dinner this week. Some eggs. I'm going to make hard-boiled eggs to have as a snack because I haven't done that in a while, and I'll make them in the Instant Pot, and they're great just to grab as a snack. Some cookies for Derek's lunch, some berries, some cream cheese, some buns, green pepper, onion. I only got these protein bars. I usually buy them at Costco, but I haven't got any in a while, so I got 2 boxes of protein bars. Got some thick carved turkey for my lunches, some apples for a snack, Caesar salad for a snack, 2 things of bananas, and some gluten-free lasagna noodles for my dinner tonight, some chicken broth, some marinara sauce, and some half and half cream for coffee. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am starting on my phone because I forgot my camera at home, but I will be moving to my camera later. But we're gonna have a productive day today. I'm just gonna go home right now. I'm gonna pack up all of our stuff that I need to bring home, and then I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna do some laundry, wash our clothes, bring fresh clothes back, do some things around the house at home, get a workout in, get a shower in, and just have like a nice productive day and just go home for a bit. My friend's coming over later for some drinks, and then I'm gonna come back here. So that is the plan for today. Let's get at it. As someone who packs up a lot, I love these 31 totes. This pattern was on sale because I think it was the end of summer, so it's kind of funky, but these 31 totes are amazing. They fit so much, so I'm just going to throw all the dirty clothes in there right now. Just got a regular coffee and a Timbit for the boy. And I didn't bring my laptop back, and my memory card for my camera is in it, so that's great. So we're gonna get a full iPhone video today, which was not my intent, but better than nothing. So my house smells so good. Like when you leave for a while and you come back, you're just like, wow, like forget how good it smells. So my dog is outside, but my friend is supposed to come over later, so I did get snacks because she always gets snacks for us, and I feel like that's like super adultish, so I was like, maybe I should get snacks for her. So when I was at her house, I had these cheddar jalapeno chips, and they were so good, so I did get them. And I got some peanut butter M&Ms. These ones are way better than the peanut ones. And then I got some raisins, which are also really good, and some Diet Pepsi and some drinks for later. So I'm just going to make sure burger's still there. I'm just going to start my laundry, get that out of the way, get it started, get it rolling, and then we'll see what else needs done around here.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah.
shower, but first I want to do a face mask. And my favorite one is this Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay from Amazon. It's such a miracle worker. It's so good. So I'm just going to mix this and the apple cider, into this little container. For some reason, you're not supposed to use metal, so don't use a spoon. But I just use my finger and mix it up and put it on my face for like 10 minutes, and it's honestly a miracle. You don't need a lot either. I usually make way too much, but it's hard. You can measure it if you want, but I don't really measure anything. It seems a bit too liquidy, so I'm just gonna add in a little more powder. And that's a better consistency. I like doing this right before I go in the shower because then it washes off super easy in the shower. It's a little bit tricky to try to wash it off. Not in the shower, just get like a warm cloth or like a damp cloth. And make sure like I get it, especially on my problem spots. Voila. The time changed over the weekend, so I'm just gonna change my clocks while I'm here. I'm just making these pumpkin waffles for my fitness Instagram, Wild Country Lifestyle, so go follow that. And then I'm going to pair it with this sausage, so it's really craving a sausage patty right now, but these smell so good. The real behind the scenes. This one did not work out at all, so it tastes good though, so I'm going to eat this one and hopefully get a picture of the next one. I forgot to add baking powder, so I think that was the problem, but I'm going to eat this one because it looks good and tastes good, but not picture worthy. This one turned out so much better. It did have whipped cream on it, but I moved it onto my plate. But they taste really good. They just didn't peel off well for some reason, but definitely better once I added the baking powder. And I'm just chowing down. I'm gonna put this one in the fridge.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? leave tonight. We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and
Okay, I'm just gonna make myself some eggs and spinach with this garlic hummus on some carbonate bakery bread for dinner. Then I'm gonna feed Rook, and then we're gonna head back. So thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one.